Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, one more day has passed towards the end of this work. So some more work has been done here and I'm gonna show you the progress. Okay, the very first thing that has been done is this one, like they have put some cement here. Okay, so yeah, that they have done so. And now flooring, most of the flooring is done, and they have also put that, this I don't know what this is called, but maybe cover or something that they have done. Major things, if I show you, mirror is on here, washroom is done. Okay, glass doors have been applied too. Let me see how it works. Wow, very smooth. But I cannot take a shower now, it's too late at night. This is also, oh wow, so this can open from inside also. Oh, okay, I gotta be careful. Washroom is, looks like done 100%. The only thing it needs is the cleanliness, like one sort of cleaning, and things are fine, perfect. Now compare it with the videos that I have published before, how it used to look and how it looks now. Door has been applied, but yes, lock needs to be applied over here, and some painting and finishing needs to be done here. Okay, they will do that, I have nothing to say about that. Now this one, you see, this used to be a round pillar, now it's a square pillar. Now this is major difference. You see, washer and dryer both have been pushed inside, okay, here. And one more thing, on top of everything they have installed this uh, doors. Okay, so now because of these doors, this looks like cabinet. Of course there will be handles here, you open it, you use it and close it. This is excellent. Whoever lives at this place, this is going to be excellent. Now same, this covering, you can see here also it is going through. Okay, pot lights are still hanging, although they have fixed a few. Not sure why they haven't fixed all. See, this one is fixed. Now another major change that is gonna happen is, if you compare the earlier video, okay, this one was here, and because if this was here, it was covering some part of that plug point. But now they have changed, and now what they are gonna do, the electric range is gonna come here, so this is not blocked, straight away it can be used. And next here is gonna be my refrigerator. So refrigerator, electric range, and just on top of it is this range hood. Oh, looks like they have moved the range hood. Why didn't you have two? I don't know, maybe they this itself they have moved, no idea. Okay, fine, they will do good finishing, they have told. Of course they will come up with doors and they will finish it. We'll see that how it goes. Okay, this one no change here, this is fine. And yeah, this one will go here, and this is moved. So basically some additional space has been applied to kitchen. Earlier this space here was not utilized, but now it is being utilized. It's good. They will do something here tomorrow, probably they'll bring, I don't know, maybe on Monday or Tuesday sometime, no idea. And yeah, and flooring, these areas are covered. Some finishing is pending, but yeah, they will do it. Here also probably after sink is installed they will do for the remaining part, because it was late at night, so they have left. They're doing it fine. Probably they will come early tomorrow morning, because all their tools are still here. This everything. That door is probably going, that door is probably going to the panel. Okay, now washing, drying, both have, washing is started. Okay, of course I'll come tomorrow morning to flip it towards drying. Yeah, Things look fine to me. Let's see how things go right from here. Other than that, everything looks okay to me. There will be lock, and they will do finishing over here also. Fine. Okay, I'll turn this light off as well. See these machines when they, yeah. Now this one, which lights were on? This light. I don't know from where this light is coming through. Okay, now okay. If I turn this, everything will be dark, so I won't do it now. Or else I can, but I have to be extra careful. Yeah, I have to use these planks when I go out. That I have to be very careful. Okay guys, so I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.